Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. These balls will transform your toilet forever. First, you'll need a bar of soap. You can even use leftover pieces. Grate the soap until you get fine shavings. Soap effectively removes grease and dirt, while its antibacterial properties help maintain toilet hygiene. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl with the soap. Then, squeeze in some toothpaste. Toothpaste not only freshens and adds a pleasant scent, but also contains whitening agents. Put on protective gloves and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Now, divide the mixture into small portions and roll them into balls. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and wrap each ball individually. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in each one. Drop a prepared ball into your toilet tank and leave it there. Every time you flush, the active ingredients will work on stains, bacteria, and limescale. Each ball acts like a mini cleaning tablet, dissolving slowly and keeping your toilet fresh for longer. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day. I put this in the toilet tank, and my unpleasant problem disappears instantly. Take an empty plastic bottle that fits inside the tank. Add 2 measures of fabric softener. It not only provides a pleasant scent, but also contains ingredients that soften water and reduce limescale buildup. The next ingredient is baking soda, which has disinfecting and odor-neutralizing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bottle. Now the key element, lemon. It acts as a natural cleaner. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bottle for a fresh citrus scent and extra descaling power. Fill the bottle halfway with water. Seal it, and shake well to mix everything. Next, heat the tip of a knife and make holes on both sides of the bottle. This allows the water to gradually release the cleaning mixture with every flush. From now on, each flush will mix the water with the fresh, fragrant solution, keeping your toilet clean and smelling great. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. the mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time. My neighbor showed me this household trick, and it completely surprised me. It turns out that solving some annoying home problems doesn't require specialized tools, expensive products, or a professional visit. Instead, you can use something you probably already have at home. This everyday item can work wonders in a way you'd never expect. Here's how to use it effectively. First, fill a plastic bag with water in your sink. Place the bag directly over the problematic area, and now it's time for the magic. When you run water, the water-filled bag creates a vacuum effect that solves the issue effectively. The entire process is simple, quick, and most importantly, effective. This method is not only fast but also eco-friendly and practical. You don't need chemicals or costly tools. Who would have thought that such a simple household item could become an unexpected hero? Sometimes the best solutions are right at your fingertips. Put plastic bags on toilet seats. The results will surprise you. A simple bag can work wonders, making your toilet seat look brand new. If yellow stains appear, you don't need to replace the seat. There's an easy way to remove discoloration. Dirt accumulates in spots that are hard to clean with regular washing. Spray a cleaning solution generously, focusing on those tough-to-clean areas. Then, place plastic bags over the toilet seat, one on the top and one on the bottom. The bags keep the cleaner in place and prevent it from drying too quickly, allowing it to work longer and more effectively. Leave them for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the cleaner dissolves dirt and disinfects the surface. After removing the bags, you'll see the difference immediately. Your toilet seat looks like new, and stubborn stains are gone. This simple trick saves time and makes toilet cleaning much more effective.